So today we've received a request to review the shape label. Now in specific, they are having difficulties getting conversions. They're getting traffic, but they're not getting conversions. So first of all, I'm going to do a quick review of their website and then go into a little bit of the marketing side of things. So overall, I think this website looks really great. There's a lot of great things, so let's cover the basics. You got your favicon, which is good. You've gotten rid of the Powered by Shopify at the bottom, which is great. If we look at your header, it's awesome. You could add a home link here, but you of course can just click the icon. So that's a possibility. Normally, I would recommend having like a drop-down menu for all these different things. But considering that you have very specialized products and only a couple in each category, I think this is totally fine. Like that makes a lot of sense. You could probably put track your parcel maybe in the footer menu here, something like that. But overall, it looks very, very good. So going back to your home page, you've got this slideshow which rotates. The first image is very good. However, the second image is very pixelated. I would recommend getting a higher quality image, higher resolution, so that you don't have that negative sort of thing, or you could just remove this second image. The first one is great quality, just the second one not so much. So let's look at a specific product here. So we have the Shoulder Brace Pro Medical Posture Brace and Back Straightener. So overall, this looks great. It's awesome that you have customer reviews there because that can really sell a product. It looks like you've got a great number of images there. Overall, it looks awesome. Very great that you got the sizing chart there. That helps a lot with customers to make sure they're getting the right product and so you don't have to deal with returns or refunds or anything like that. Let's take a look at the SEO for this site. So if we take a look at this particular product, if I were to search this, this is what I would find on Google. Now, the title is great, but the description, not so much. What you want to make sure is that you include as many applicable keywords as possible in the first 100 characters of your SEO description. So at the start here, we've got confident, powerful, and admired. It's great that those are what you stand for and what you have as a brand, but that is not what people are going to search for on Google when they try and find a back brace. You want to include things that are specific. So some of the stuff that you have at the end there, slouching, hunching, computer posture, posture in general. Those are the types of things that you want to include at the start. So this has to make sense to both a person, a customer, but also include the most important things that people are going to be searching for on Google. The last thing that I'd recommend is being more active on your Twitter and your Instagram. Your Facebook still exists, but it doesn't seem to be very active, and Facebook Marketplace can be a great way to sell your product. In terms of your Twitter and your Instagram, technically they exist, but you really haven't done a lot with them. So you can do more with them to help improve your footprint in terms of social media, as well as just help get to your specific clientele, because this is a very specific clientele. If you update your search engine optimization for your products, you will ensure that the money that you spend in the Google ads that you're currently going with actually goes to the specific people that are looking for your product. So there we go. That's my review, and I hope this helps out with your sales.